If you have a GE refrigerator that requires RPWFE filters every 6 months, then you might want to do this. First, remove the front panel by unscrewing the 2 Phillips screws located underneath the front panel. Then pull down on the front panel and pull it out. Once you did that, there are 2 wire plugs that need to be disconnected. After you disconnect the wires, there are 4 star screws that need to be removed in order to gain access to the front side of the panel. Take a piece of electrical tape and cover where it says "not filtering." Put the front panel back and secure it with the 4 star screws. Reconnect the cables to the panel and mount the panel back using the 2 Phillips screws. Next, cut the chip out of the bypass filter, making sure not to damage the chip. Remove the old RPWFE filter and stick the bypass chip inside the door by using some kind of tape. Now you can insert an RPWF filter and the fridge will recognize it as a bypass filter. This way you can use filters that do not have a chip.